Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Very, very simple, all in the oven, one time. Chicken and potatoes. I've got some chicken wings there, roast potatoes, a few little carrots, onions, a few spices, absolutely delicious. Bang it in the oven, go make yourself a cup of tea or do something, come back in 45 minutes, it's done. Beautiful, let's get on with it. Okay, so let's start off with our wings, get them prepared. So I've got a 1 kg, I don't know, it's like 20 or something, 20 odd or something wings, but yeah, 1 kg in weight of wings. Gonna get them into a mixing bowl, get some spices on them. Okay, so here we go. Let's start off by getting some black pepper in there and some salt. I'm also now gonna add, just take a look here, celery salt, rosemary, and paprika. Now all of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. We're going to get a little bit of oil in there, just using a bit of sunflower oil just to get it together. Sexy glove, give that a mix. Set these aside, then we can move on, get this on the go and pop it in the oven. Absolutely delicious. So I've got a nice roasting tin here, and potatoes, just chop those in. Quite large, and what I've done with them, peeled them, give them a little wash, but you can see they've got some nice jagged corners. Hopefully they're going to crisp up nicely. If you wanted, you could boil these first, give them a little kind of parboil. I'm going to go in straight like that, along with some onion, chunky cut onion, couple of onions. And I've got here some carrots as well to go in the mix. You can get some celery in there maybe if you wanted. Let's get a bit of oil on that. Again, I'm using the sunflower oil. Let's grab our chicken wings. We're just going to give this a nice little mix in the pan, and then it's just going to go into the oven. Really, really simple and delicious. Right, I'll see you when that comes out. Okay, there you go. That was in my oven for 45 minutes. At 225C, which I think is about 430F or gas mark 7. Absolutely delicious. Very, very easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.